And we are in front of another prototype, the Duncan 550 4x4. And actually, this is differently spec'd. This seats actually another additional seat. Yes, we have a double seat with Isofix. And on the back, we have a Thetford cassette toilet, two burner stoves, there is a fridge, and then we have the drop-down bed. And yes, actually this seats 5 people with that standard new Ford design. Getting on the back, and we can check there is an actual shower unit and actual sink. Well, it looks like you can take a shower inside of here. Pretty well laid out. And this is now showing an actual process. Maybe we can convert this also into a bed. And this is actually a great design because you can have the sliding door from this side. Great, nice little prototype.